everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I'd really like that. And if you're returning, how you doing? Well, we went to Dollar Tree and we're going to be stocking our stockpile now for our HBA, hygiene, things like that, okay? No, I did not film inside Dollar Tree because I've never filmed in there before. I was a little leery on doing it, so that's why I was just like, I'm just not going to do it. So, like I said, I promised you I'd, update you on, what we bought for our hygiene pantry. So, let's get to it, okay? I bought some more cotton balls, okay? So cotton balls are extremely important to have, especially for your first aid kit. So I bought 2 more bags of the cotton balls. More Q-tips, but 2 more things of Q-tips. I got some more bar soap. This is Sean's favorite, the Irish Spring. So we'll put this in here. 7, 8. Any other bags? I don't think so. Okay, so bar soap. We had 5 in there, so now there's 8 more in there. Okay. More body wash. Got some more body wash. Well, we're going to have to move some things around and make some room in here. So, 2 more body wash. We had 5, now we have 7. And more toothbrushes. So we'll put this up in here. Okay, here's some more conditioner. Yeah, we're definitely going to have to be making some more room. Definitely. Oop. Oh no, do we have spillage? We have spillage. Yay. Awesome. So let's wipe that off. We bought 3 more shampoo, 3 more conditioner. Yeah, we're going to have to make more room, huh? Okay. So. Where are we going to go with this stuff, kids? Where are we going? Huh? Penelope, where are we going with this stuff? Huh, Mom? Where are we going? Because this stuff is going to fall, and I don't want that. All right, it smells good. It's coconut. Yay, Mommy's favorite. Okay. We got 2 more razors, 2 more packs of razors. So now we have 7 sets of shampoo and conditioner, razors. Now we have, where are we? 3 extra sets of razors, and here's more deodorant. I order Sean's deodorant. He wears a different kind of deodorant. Don't ask me the brand because I don't remember. Plus, he has found, and I'm going to tell you this, he has found this out. And why he would experiment this way, I don't know. But, you know, he's crazy. So, he was at work one day. Let's tilt you up. He was at work one day, and he was sweating real bad, okay? And he took some alcohol wipes, and he went into the bathroom, and he wiped his underarms with them. And he said, literally, his, like, you know, he would, the sweat went away, and he didn't have, like, the underarm odor, I guess you could say, anymore. And it lasted for the rest of the day and the rest of the night. So then he came home, he took a shower, and he did it again. Alcohol on his underarms. So he's been doing this now for over a year, just using alcohol on his underarms. And he does not have, like, any kind of, like, body odor. It's the strangest thing. So if you're going to be, like, buying alcohol wipes and stuff like that, just know that, you know, it's been working for Sean for, like, deodorant. So if you want to try it, go right ahead. I don't know why he would experiment like that, but he did, and it works for him. But, you know, he's he's nuts sometimes. He really is. He's nuts sometimes. But we love him. We do, yeah. So, but after 24 years of marriage, I go with the flow. Okay. I would never do it. But then again, I have sensitive skin. So if you have sensitive skin, you know, don't try it at home, you know, that type of thing, you know. But if you don't have sensitive skin, you know, maybe you would want to try it. I don't know. I don't know why because he even said to me, he goes, maybe you should tell them to try what I tried and see if it works for them. So I'm telling you what he does because he said, you know, maybe you should tell them. All right, so I'm telling you. If you want to do it, you know, if you want to try it, go ahead. Yeah. He's a strange bird, my husband, but I love him. I do know that I remember, oh my gosh, alcohol wipes is also good to help stop with nausea. I remember one time I was at the chiropractor. This was after I was in a really, really, really bad car accident. And I was having nausea real bad at the chiropractor's office. And the massage therapist took a alcohol wipe and she put it under my nose and she said, smell this. And I said, it's alcohol wipe. She said, it helps with nausea. And holy hell, if it didn't take my nausea away. So, and I said, where did you learn that? And she said, my great-grandmother, she was Brazilian or something like that, and that's what they used, alcohol, to, if you smell it, it takes nausea away, but it did work. So, you know, if you have, Penelope Janine, what are you doing? Get out of Andrew's bathroom right now. Thank you. So, you know, there's different, you know, even the weirdest things that you would never think actually do work with other things, like the alcohol. You know, it's working for Sean for, you know, so he doesn't have to use deodorant. Alcohol takes, you know, smelling alcohol wipes or even putting alcohol on a cotton, you know, cotton ball, and you smell it, it takes away nausea. Who would have known? I would have never known that. You know, and I am a strong believer in, like, old wives' tales, you know. I mean, I can tell you some things that, you know, my grandmother, you know, things that were passed down from my great-grandmother down to my grandmother, down to my mother, down to me, you know, that type of thing. Like, when I was little, you know, every time I would get sick, my grandmother would always put onions in my socks. And I would always say, you know, no, 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 no onion, no, because in my family, in my house, we always spoke Italian. Okay, it wasn't until I started school that I actually had to, you know, speak English. So no, 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 no onion, no onion, no, no, and I can't speak Italian anymore. I can speak a little bit, but very, very little from what I remember. It's sad. I really wish I could remember how to speak it. But in other words, she would tell me her mother would put onions in the socks of her children when they were sick and had fevers. And the onions would draw the fever and the heat from the feet out. And in the morning, the onions would be like, almost look like they were cooked, almost like they would be like soft and, you know, like that. And I mean, your feet would stink, but your fever would be gone. And son of a bitch, if it didn't work. So even when Andrew was little and he would run a fever, onions, put them in the socks, put them on Andrew, boom, done. And my mother-in-law would look at me and she goes, what the hell are you doing? My grandmother would do this when I was little. And in the morning, Andrew would wake up, no fever. So with my nieces and nephews, she would call me and she'd say, Jips, kids have fevers. Chop up onion, put them in the socks, put them on the kids, send them to bed. Done. No fever. So, you know, there's just little things that, you know, if you can remember what your grandparents did, or, you know, like old wives' tales, they really do work sometimes, you know, and I'm not just saying, you know, things that you have actually tried, that you know actually work, you know, like that type of thing. You might want to write those down so they can be handed down to your children, to your grandchildren, to your great grandchildren, that type of thing. Okay, but I always remember the onions and the socks. Another thing, I remember growing up. For some reason, my mom gave me. The doctor told her to give me this syrup. It was a Coca-Cola syrup or something like that. I can't remember why she was giving it to me. And my grandmother just started, no, 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 no. You know, and she would say, she would take Coca-Cola, shake it up, make it go flat, make it hot, give it to you, drink it, and eat pretzels. And that worked. I can't remember what the hell it was for. I think it was another thing for nausea or upset stomach or something like that. And I remember my grandmother calling the pediatrician, cursing him out in Italian. I remember that. But I believe it was for upset stomach. Really, Stormy? He just made the camera wiggle. But anyway, that's, yeah, a little bit of tip from me to you, you know. Shaking up and making Coca-Cola go flat, make it hot, and give the kids pretzels for upset stomach, and putting onions in his socks for fevers. Yeah. All right, guys, that's all for this video. I love you. I'll see you in the next one. If you need to get a hold of me, you know how to get a hold of me, okay? Sound off in the comments section below if you have any old wives' tales, you know, for remedies, because sometimes those work better than the OTCs. You know what I'm saying? All right. I'll see you in the next one. I love you. Bye.